adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn how to run two separate programs for one character at the same time. The story is going to be Kitten shooting a basketball into a net. And the basketball is what the character will be running two programs for. So let's start by changing the background to the gym. There we go. Next, we're going to add a character of a basketball. Press the tick button to select. Fantastic. Right. Let's move Kitten back a little bit. Okay. So we've selected the basketball because the basketball's the character that's going to have the programs related to it and will be moving. So first of all, let's select a green flag from the yellow category and a movement block because we want the basketball to move right across the screen and then we want it to stop. Next, we're going to create the second program. We not only want the basketball to move right across the screen, we want it to go up and then down into the basket. So we're going to select again the green flag block because we want both programs to start at the same time. Next, we're going to select from the blue category an up movement block and then a down movement block. And then we want the program to stop by selecting the stop block. Now, by turning the grid on, we can see how far the basketball is away from the net. Now, the net is at 17. So, if we make the ball's currently on 11, so 17 take it away, 11 is 6. So, we need the basketball to move 6 squares to get to the basket. We need it to go up as well. So, we're currently, the basketball is on 8 and we want it to go up above the net really, don't we? So the net is at 11. So let's say it goes up 5 and we want it to go down further. So let's make it 6. And let's see what happens. We'll turn the grid off so we can see. Fantastic. So it goes up, goes across, then up and down. Let's move Kitten a little bit closer so it looks like they're throwing it. Up. Brilliant. Let's look at that on full screen. Wow, brilliant stuff. And if we want to edit it, we go back to here and we can make any changes we want. Well done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.